Today I'm upgrading my fashion game with the help of my new stylish, tactical hiking pants. They're lightweight, have plenty of storage, dry quickly, are tear resistant, and are stretchy to fit your figure and show off your curves. And these pants come shipped to your door, ready to show off your curves as well. After I received the pants, I didn't waste any time and threw them on. And I gotta say, I was instantly impressed. They fit perfectly and were true to my size. They're so thin and lightweight. They're form-fitting, but not too tight, giving me the ability to move freely. The elastic waistband holds the pants up without a belt, but it comes complete with belt loops, so you can tighten your pants down. The next thing I noticed was all the pockets. To be exact, there's a total of 9 multifunctional pockets. There's zipper pockets, Velcro pockets, and literally pockets inside of pockets. I put a pocket knife in my inner pocket, my earphones in the other pocket, my phone in the zipper pocket so I won't lose it, my wallet in the other zipper pocket, as well as a camera and tripod in the Velcro pocket. I fastened a fire starter to the D-ring, as well as a bigger blade to my belt. And even loaded down with all that, I could still move freely. The weight was dispersed well and felt good to wear. And I still had some extra pockets available for some more items. But that's all I need for now, so I went out to the woods and started cleaning up the hiking trails. It was a hot day, and I didn't really want to be wearing pants. But these are so lightweight and breathable that they didn't feel bad. Not to mention, the tear-resistant material of the pants made it so I can walk through thick brush without worry of getting caught up and ripping my pants. I also noticed that they're water resistant and quick drying. The water from the brush would beat up on my pants and not soak through. Too cool. Then after I cleaned up the trails, I grabbed the dogs and went for a hike. And I'm not gonna lie, I really love these pants. After the hike, I went to my campsite and wore the pants while I relaxed by the campfire. I like these pants so much that I've been wearing them around the house. I know these are tactical pants and all, but I think they look good enough to be pants that you can wear on any occasion. The fabric almost feels like some nice slacks, but it's styled in a casual way, so I can wear these at the office, at the work site, hiking, working in the woods, or even on a date. I'll look good, and I'll have plenty of pockets to store whatever I need. So if you're looking for some stylish, comfy, and cool looking tactical pants, these pants might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go enjoy my new pants. See ya.